Good day everyone. Good day sir. Today we will discussing the 1990s to early 2000 known as the internet age. The 1990s to early 2000 mark a revolutionary period in computer history known as the internet age. During this time, computer evolved from standalone machines into globally connected devices. The development of the internet fundamentally changed communication, business, education, and everyday life. This period is important because it transformed computers from standalone machine into globally connected systems. The internet age reshaped how people communicate, work, learn, and interact with one another. Sa una, ang computer kay ginagamit ra para sa calculation o data storage. Pero sa internet age, ang computer nahimong tool for communication and connection. This era changed not only technology but also human behavior. Today, I will discuss the evolution of the internet age. The period from the 1990s to the early 2000s was a turning point in computer history. During this time, computer evolved from simple machine used for work into powerful that connected the entire world. So, let us explore the major milestone that shaped the internet age. In 1991, the World Wide Web becomes a public. In 1995, commercial expansion of the internet. And then, in the 1998, the rise of search engines. In early 2000, social media emerged. Then, the last is the 2005 growth of online media. In 1991, the World Wide Web becomes public. The World Wide Web was introduced to the public by Tim Berners-Lee. The World Wide Web allowed people to access information using websites and hyperlinks, making the internet too easier use. Ang World Wide Web, mao ang rason nga nung sayon na gamiton ang internet. Kasi before this, ang internet para unta na siya sa mga experts. Then pag-abot sa web, bisag ordinaryong tao, pwede na makabrowse o information. The web made the internet public and user-friendly.
In 1995, commercial expansions of the Internet. The release of web browsers such as Internet Explorer helped popularize Internet use. At the same time, companies like Amazon began online selling, introducing e-commerce to the world. The Internet shifted from academic and military use to commercial and public use. By 1995, web browsers such as Internet Explorer helped popularize Internet use. During this time, business like Amazon began operating online. So, ani nga panahon, nagsugod ang online business. Then, ang internet, dili na lang para sa impormasyon, kundi para sa para sa commerce. Then, the internet became a marketplace, not just a network. In 1998, the rise of search engine. Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google improved how information was organized and searched online. Information became faster and easier to find, increasing internet dependence. In 1998, Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google made searching information faster and more accurate. Sa kadaghang mga website, murag mag-listed ng pangita o sakto ng mga information. Then Google maoy magsulbat sa mga problem. With one search, information become instantly available. They change education, research, and daily decision making.
Early 2000, social media emerged. Platforms such as Facebook 2004 changed how people communicate. Social networking allow users to create profiles, share content, and interact globally. Communication became instant, interactive, and broadless. In 2004, Facebook was launched. Social media platform allow users to connect, communicate, and share content online. Diri nagsugod ang digital communication, ang tao dili na kinahanglan mag-atubangay para mag-istorya. Communication became instant globally and digital. This changed relationship and social interaction. 2005, growth of online media. YouTube allows users to upload and share videos worldwide. It transformed entertainment, education, and media consumption. In 2005, YouTube was created. This platform allows users to upload and watch video worldwide. Ang YouTube naghatag og tigog sa ordinary tao, dili na kinahanglang TV station para maka-broadcast. Anyone could become a content creator.
Significance of the Internet Age. The Internet Age did not merely improve technology, it also reshaped society. It globalized communication, expanded digital business and online markets, increased access to information, create new careers and industries, change social behavior and human interaction. The Internet age transformed computers into tools for global connection. It influenced communication, education, business, and entertainment. This era laid the foundation for modern technologies such as cloud computing and artificial intelligence, or well known as AI. Ang internet age mao ang foundation sa modern technology. Kung walay internet, walay social media, online learning, o digital economy. Because this era connected not just computers but people. The internet age of the 1990s to 2000s marked a turning point in computer history. Through the development of the World Wide Web, search engines, e-commerce, and social media, computers became powerful tools for global connection. This period transformed technology from a productivity device into a platform for communication, innovation, and worldwide interaction. The digital world we live in today is a direct result of the advancement made during this era. The internet age was a defining period in computer history. It reshaped how humans live, work, and communicate. The digital world we experience today is a direct result of the innovation from the 1990s to 2000. Ang internet age dili lang bahin sa technology, bahin kini sa usab sa atong kinabuhi or part sa atong life.